my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making banana muffins. If you watched my last baking video, like I don't know, 2 months ago, I made banana nut bread and that was okay, but I think today I'm very much more prepared and they're going to come out a lot better. So I have everything I need here and we're just about to get started. So I have the recipe on my phone and I'm just going to start. So yeah, I have 1 bowl for the dry ingredients and 1 bowl for the wet. And that's where I went wrong last time. I just mixed everything together and no. So first I'm going to start with the bananas. This one is kind of like nasty and stuff, but I've done some research and they come out sweeter when you like use nasty bananas. So I'm about to just put this one in there. And then the recipe calls for 2 to 3 ripe bananas, so I'm just gonna use 2. Whoa. So I said this in my last cooking video when I made the banana bread. I cannot eat a banana for nothing, but the flavoring, like the bread and stuff, I love it, but I can't, I can't eat a banana like this, no way. Oops. All right, and I'm gonna grab a fork to press these down. Just gonna mash these, you know, just mash these down. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that one that was really ripe is like doing really good. So I figured I could just eat these for like breakfast or something for the rest of the week. I don't know. I just wanted to bake something, so here we go. Should probably take off my bracelet, but whatever. Alright, so that is the bananas. I'm gonna actually preheat the oven to 350 while I'm doing this. Okay, so while that's preheating, I'm just gonna finish with this. Okay, next I'm gonna do the eggs. It calls for 1 large, but I only have medium, so I'm gonna just use 2. And I think that's where I go wrong with recipes. Like I always end up doing something wrong. But whatever. It should still be good, right? Alright. So have this little whisker thingy. And I'm just gonna mix that. Gonna move this fork. Whisk that until it's all mixed in. So this is what it's looking like so far. Ooh, can y'all see a little bit? Okay, and next we are going to do the one-third cup of melted butter. So this is the cup for 1/3. This is a big cup of butter. I'm just gonna, I don't know how much 1/3 is gonna be. Just gonna scoop this, put it in there, and microwave this for a second. Hopefully that don't burn. Was it safe to put that in the microwave? I don't know. It's melting. Okay. I'm just gonna watch this so I don't make a mess. So it's really close to 1/3 actually. There's still like a little chunk that's not all the way melting. But I think that's good enough. Y'all see what I mean when I just do whatever? It's gonna be fine. Okay, and then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I did not find that thing. Found it. Okay, so next 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here it is. Just gonna pour this over so I don't make a mess. There we go. All right. Okay, just make a mess. Mix that in. I really want to go to like a cake baking decorating class. Really bad. Really bad. So next, I think that's all the wet ingredients. So next I'm going to move on to the dry. So let's do that. We're going to move this over here. So first we're going to do 3/4 cup of sugar. So here's the 1/4 cup. I'm just use 3 of these. That's about 1. That's about 2. This is a lot of freaking sugar. Oh my god. And then there's 3. Next we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here's the baking soda here in this bag. And the 1 teaspoon. There we go. Then next we need a pinch of salt. Don't nobody got time to pinch no salt, so you know what? I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. There we go. Then 1.5 cup of flour. So here's half. I'm making the biggest mess. Here's 1. And then here's another half. Okay. That was a hot mess. Flour, salt, baking soda, sugar. All right, and that's all the dry ingredients. So I'm gonna mix that together with a clean spoon. Just gonna mix it all together. I'm so excited to try. Okay, let me clean up as I go, so don't be no more mess. So I think this bowl is a little wider and bigger than this one. So I'm gonna move the wet ingredients, the oven's done, into this bowl. That wasn't so bad. Pretty quick. So I'm just gonna mix this all together. I was gonna make a cake from scratch, but the longer I thought about it, I don't even think I would have ate it when it was done, to be honest. So I was like, you know what, a muffin, you can't really go, can't go too wrong with that. Ooh, I think I may have missed something. Let me see. Did we miss anything? Let me see. Bananas, butter, sugar, egg, vanilla extract, baking soda, salt, flour. No, we got everything. Okay, let me see. I probably should have used a little bit more butter. But whatever. Okay, it's coming together. Okay, so I have 2 little cupcake muffin pans. Then I got some little, what are they called? Pouches? I don't know. I'm gonna use pink because I love pink. I'm just gonna get these ready to bake. I usually put 2 of these in one just so like it's sturdy and the mixture don't like, you know, fall out or anything. Is that 1 or 2? I don't know. But yeah. All right, you're wrapping down. I'm so excited. Y'all want one? Comment below if you want one. You want me to bake for you? I will. So I'm gonna finish doing this and then I'm gonna put the mixture in there. Alright, gonna stir this one more time. Let me smell it. I'm weird like that. Okay. Don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but there we go. I'm just gonna use that same spoon. Just gonna clean this off. I use for the same spoon I use to mix the dry ingredients. Then I'm just get ready to, you know, put it in here. Oh snap. Let me start off small. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of extra. And it said it makes 12 muffins, this recipe. I think it's gonna be more than 12. This is gonna be the longest part. such a big mess, y'all. Oh snap. Let me clean this up because I don't want it to like be all crusted and stuff. All right, we're gonna go on to the next tray. Okay, so we're gonna see how long they're supposed to cook for. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and put the muffins in the oven. And then we're gonna set the timer for, I normally put it like in between. I'm gonna put like 23 minutes. Then we're gonna put cooking time. All right, while that's cooking, I'm gonna clean up, and then when it's done, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and show y'all what we working with. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so they are out of the oven. My brother already got one. How is it?
It was okay.
I don't like him. So I'm gonna let him cool before I be greedy. He said I should have added some walnuts, but I don't like nuts. So I'm gonna let them cool for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back on and let y'all know how I like them. Stay tuned. We are back. This is my loving brother. Give me some sugar. Give me a kiss.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing out there?
So, wow, let's do it together. He already had one, but this is my first one. This is how it came out. So we're gonna take a bite together. You ready? You ready? Tell him what you told me.
They dry.
That's not what he told me. He told me I should have added some frosting or some glaze on a freaking muffin. I think
dry.
They get stop. I think they came out pretty good, and that's my honest opinion. You done ate about 3 of them, so you feel the same way.
Hard to swallow.
No, it's not. I did a good job, y'all. Really?
Shalom.
They're good. Okay, let's close the video. All right, y'all, that's the end of... Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget...
Sponsor me.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.